Hello everyone, welcome to Flowealth Academy. Today we are going to learn about Resume AI by Wonsulting, and this is an AI tool that helps us create resume, or it helps us improve our resume. So without wasting time, you will go to your Chrome or Google or Opera Mini, whichever browser you are using, and then you will click Resume AI by Wonsulting. Then you click enter. So you'll come down here and check Wonsulting AI, Resume AI. So you'll use this one, and then you click enter. And then what you'll see on the landing page will be Resume AI, Job Board AI, Network AI. These are what you'll see when you log in. So you can log in or try it for free. So if you don't want to do so many things, you can just click login, and then you log in with Google, because logging in with Google will be easy. So you choose your account. For me, I'll choose this one. Let's give it time. So after doing that, logging in with Google, you'll see the dashboard. So in the dashboard, what you'll see will be your name, welcome David, that's my name. So you'll be home, there will be Resume AI, you can create a cover letter, you can create a network AI, there will be Job Board AI, resume share, here you can share your resume, there will be Job Tracker AI, you can track your job, interview AI, this AI can help you in doing your interview, you can learn, here you can get help if you have questions. So for us, today we are going to learn how to create a resume from scratch. So you click Resume AI. So if you already have a resume and you just want to improve your resume or make some changes, you'll click Upload Resume. And if you click Upload Resume, you'll be able to upload your resume and edit it. You just make some changes and save, and then download. So for us, we are going to create a new resume from scratch. So we'll click create a new resume. So if you click create a new resume, what you'll see will be your name that you used when logging in, your Google account name, and this was my email. There was no phone number, so I'll enter the phone number, the LinkedIn link, and town and stuff. So what you'll see first will be education. So in the education section, you write there will be university. So for mine, I'll say Multimedia University, University of Kenya, and then you'll click OK. That will be done. Degree, let's say business IT, and that will be okay. Graduation date, city or state, let's say Nairobi, Kenya. Graduation date, if you know. So mine, let's say 2027 August. Yeah, and that will be. So work experience, let's say. So if you are working, for a person who is working now, you can write the name of the company you are working for, your job title, the bullet points. You'll have options: bullet point 1, bullet point 2, and bullet point 3. So let's say company, let's say Flowealth Academy. City or state, let's say United Kingdom. So job title, let's say course creator. Start date, let's say you can say 2025 October. End date, let's say 2025 November. And that will be also you'll write your bullet points, and then if you have another job, you'll write it down here. So for me, I'll just write one job there, And company, if you have so many jobs, you'll have spaces, you can write them down. So project experience, your experience. So for me, you can write the name of the organization. So I'll write Flowealth, city or state, title, and the same goes down there, just the same. So we will come to leadership experience section. So organization, the organization you are a leader in or you act in the title, the position you are in, and the experiences you are. If you have one experience, you have two of them, you have 3, 4, 5, you'll be able to write them down there. So custom section. So here in the custom section, you can write anything, your skills, you can add skills, you can add certificates, you can just customize this page basically, or you can add a section. If what section do you want to add? So you can add work experience, project experience. If you have done some projects, you can write them down there. Leadership, education, skills, and custom, just the same. You can, let's say you have skills. Let's say if you are skill Microsoft Office, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, interest, you can write if you have. After doing that, you'll click download. You can download as a PDF. So for us, let's say we'll download as a PDF. So you'll wait. Yeah, it's complete. So you'll see it in your download section. So for me, mine is already downloaded, and this one is what I have, what I've written, what I've gotten, and it's pretty easy, and it works fast. Yeah, and that's all for today. Thank you.